जेजू जिवंत जातालो. जेजू जिवंत जाला, आमचे खातीर तो मेला आनी हें जिवंतपण आमकां सगळ्यांक क्रिस्ताचेर बोरवासो दिता, तोखाय दिता की आमी लेगीत जेजू सांगाता जिवंत जातल्या. हो बोरवासो घेवन आमी रावता जेजूच्या जिवंतपणान.
म्हज्या जिविताचे परगोटणार जावन आमकां आयज त्या तुज्या उमावांतल्यान तूं पाठय. ते आमी मागता क्रिस्ता आमच्या सुन्या वरवीं.
Easter, the most important celebration of our Christian faith. Easter celebrates the rising of Jesus from death to a new life, reminding us that light conquers darkness, love conquers hatred, and truth conquers deceit. For us, sinners saved by Jesus, the joy of the resurrection starts with a personal encounter with the risen Lord. What was the cause for Mary Magdalene's tears to give way to Easter joy? Nothing less than meeting the risen Lord himself. The same joy was experienced by the disciples on their way to Emmaus. Their personal encounter with the risen Lord gives them the courage, the strength, the eagerness to run back to Jerusalem in the dead of the night and tell the other disciples of Jesus about what had happened to them on the way and how they had recognized the risen Lord in the breaking of the bread. The risen Christ wants us to experience the joy of encountering him and living for him and not for ourselves. He wants us to have the joy of being liberated from the sin